Do you want to change who can see your story on Facebook? You can set who can view your Facebook stories with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change who can see your story on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the three lines menu at the top or bottom of the screen. Now, a new screen will open. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings from the expanded menu. Now you are on the Settings screen. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. From here, find and select Stories. A new screen will appear with privacy options for your stories. You will see who can see your stories, just tap on it. Here, you will see different options. Select Public to set so that anyone, friends and followers, can see your stories. Select Friends to set so that only your Facebook friends can see your story. Friends expect to hide your story from specific friends. Select Custom to select specific people who can or cannot view your story. Select one of the options as your preferred audience, then tap the Save button. Now, your story privacy setting will be updated, and all future stories will follow this audience setting.